Hello friends, Miss Natalie here. I've got another drawing exercise. How to use an eyeball to measure the proportions of the face. Now, you might not know, but the average adult face is 5 eyeballs across. I like to start with this eyeball right here, and that's not the right eye or the left eye. It is the eyeball that is the distance between the two eyes. So I draw circles. So if you can draw a circle that's kind of the same size as others, then you can find the proportions of the face. Okay, so we've got right eye, left eye, and one more eyeball side, and it's not quite a full eyeball. We'll start there. And I'm gonna quickly sketch in an iris and a pupil, reflection so it doesn't look too weird, and the shape of the eye so you can kind of see what it looks like. And there we've got our 2 eyes, not exactly even, but close enough for now. Now the bottom of the nose is another eyeball down from these. So that would be the bottom of the nose. And the mouth is a half of an eyeball down from the nose. So that's where the mouth is. And finally, the bottom of the chin is one more eyeball down from there. So that is the chin, the nose, and I'm going to quickly draw in just kind of shape of the nose. There's the nostril, and there we go. There's the bottom of the nose. That is there. The mouth. This is the center, well, it's the part of your mouth that opens, the center line of your mouth. So the upper lip is above, the bottom lip is below, and there we have a mouth. And this is going to look like some kind of strange alien creature. And the shadow that is usually right above the chin is that top of that circle. So that's kind of nice. All right, so the jawline extends from that mouth. So that line goes down to here. Now most people's faces are not completely rectangular, so they angle in some, and then it angles down to the chin. And, you know, the stronger your jawline is, you know, the more that's a prominent angle, the less quote-unquote strong, the softer it is. You can have a softer jawline. I'm just going to leave those guidelines so you can see them, though. Now, the neck actually comes in from that same line, too, but it doesn't go straight down because that would look odd. It kind of curves in, or angles in, I should say. And then we get the shoulders kind of coming from there. So that's not really the face, but it is another proportion. If we're doing one of those classic head and shoulder portraits, you need to know that. Okay, the length of the average adult face is 7 eyeballs. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 right here. So we're going to add 1, 2, 3 here. Very messily, but that's okay because it's just for measurement purposes. And that is the top of the head, which curves nicely like so. All right, now this curves in. The ears, where are the ears? The ears are usually at that line across from the eyes. That middle of that circle is the top of the eye. It really depends on the angle that you're looking at a person. And the bottom is around the bottom of the nose. Again, depends on the person, depends on who you're looking at. Sometimes it's a little bit closer, a little bit above, move them up a little bit, and that's just kind of a general ear shape. We won't get too specific right now because it's just about where they go. The eyebrows, of course, are on that line. That is the top of that particular eyeball. And the bridge of the nose comes down from the eyebrows. And it's more of a shadow than a line. But if you're doing a quick line drawing, not realistic kind of illustration, then you can just leave it at there. And that gives you kind of a sense of where your bridge of the nose is. Okay, the hairline is different on every person, but it's usually somewhere around the halfway point of this particular eyeball, the second from the top, or 1/2 from the actual eyes. And it curves down, actually kind of goes out and then curves down. Some people have a widow's peak. This kind of now looks like a person is wearing a swim cap, but if we were to say put some hair in growing from the part, maybe back, we'll see how the hairline kind of comes in. So that is a very basic and very average, I should say European adult. This looks like a woman right now. This doesn't look like any real person, but it gives you a general sense of the proportions of the face. Go make some art.